What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It is Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking, and I am feeling so much better. Thank y'all so much for all the kind words and wishes and prayers and everything. Thank y'all so much. Today I have a very simple and easy recipe, especially for y'all parents, grandparents, guardians, whatever. Individuals who just want something ready for when you get home from work. I got an easy crock pot meal for you. We're going to make Swedish meatballs in the crock pot. What you're going to need for this recipe is a bag of frozen meatballs. If you want to make your own, that's fine. We're going to use out the bag some French onion dip and some gravy mix. And it's going to be simple and easy. And some eggshell noodles, okay? This is going to be delicious, creamy, and just warm you to the bone. Delicious after a long day. All right. So what I want you to do, get your crock pot. I'm going to cut mine on, and I'm going to hit mode. I'm going to put my crock pot on low. Get my crock pot ready. Open her on up. Now I'm going to pour the whole bag of meatballs right on in. So then what you're going to need some beef broth. And we're going to add in about 1 cup of beef broth. So we're going to add 1 cup of beef broth. Beef broth right on into our crock pot. So what we're going to do, we're going to go in with it 1 can. I do feel better. 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. And just let it fall in there. Nice and thick. So then we're going to get some A1 steak sauce. And just pour some on in there. 1 pack of that onion soup. And just sprinkle it right on in. And then my gravy. My gravy packs right on in. Add a little bit more beef broth in there. Not too much. I'm just going to mix everything on up. Get it good incorporated. And we're going to cook this down for 6 hours. And once that's done and cooked up, we're going to cook our noodles. Add some sour cream. Call it a day. So let's let this cook down and I'll show you the rest. This is my dog. This is Sky. Huh? Are you Sky? Are you Sky? Come on. This is my big, beautiful dog. Yeah. Simple, easy crock pot meal that's going to be delicious that your kids are going to enjoy. And I hope you guys make it. So just stay tuned. I'll show you the final result. Plain, simple, and easy. Don't overthink dinner. All right, y'all. So here, Jerry is helping me out because I had to go to work. And she is going to finish up these crock pots for us with me doing a wonderful voiceover. So here she's just going to go ahead and stir them on in together, making sure they're all good and coated before reaching for the daisy of sour cream and opening that with her beautiful teal nails. And she's just going to go ahead and do a scoop or two, about a cup, or about a half a cup of sour cream. And then mix all that in with the egg noodles. Now you can cook your egg noodles if you want beforehand, or you can just go ahead and dump and put them in. So if you're going to dump them in before you cook them and you want to have them cooked this way in the crock pot, just make sure you incorporate them all around there so they can get into the broth and the basically bottom of it so they can cook with the steam and the flavor. So we're going to add a little bit more beef broth in there just to help those noodles out cook and absorb all that goodness. And this is a great way to get those noodles infused in pure flavor magic. So we're going to go ahead and just top this off with a little bit more beef broth. And then we're going to call it, let it sit for a little bit longer until it's time to eat. And there it is. Look at those noodles all cooked down. Looking absolutely delicious. And just ready to eat. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. And if you stay tuned for after this thank you screen, you'll get to see the kids actually trying this food. I love you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. He's going to try it. Not the best.